Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and I have read your comments. I see that you guys still have more questions about acne and acne concerns. So what I wanted to do was put together a really quick video where we talk about maybe 5 treatments that we offer at Sephora that you could utilize to really help fight breakouts and blemishes. What we're going to do in this video is talk about 5 different products, the point of difference behind each product and how you might use them, when you might use them. We'll talk about the key ingredient in that product so you know how it's working, and then we'll talk about when and how that fits into your routine. So if you have questions about breakouts and how to fight them, stay tuned, this video is for you. So first up from your ad, we have the Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. Now this is really great for all over blanket breakouts. So if you're someone who's concerned with kind of large surface area breakouts, this is a really great one to try. It's a lightweight gel formula, almost like a serum that you can apply on clean skin before you put your moisturizers at nighttime. Basically, it's got a lot of salicylic acid, which is going to go in there and clean out the pore for you, which is really, really great. Love this guy from Dr. Murad. So the next product is really great for someone who has a concern that generally accompanies blackheads. This Clinique Blackhead Solution Self-Heating Blackhead Extractor is really great for addressing that concern. It's got salicylic acid, which helps to cleanse the pore and dislodge debris from the pore. Also, you have this little massaging guy here, which helps to massage and encourage that debris from coming out as well. So you want to use the little massager to massage any impurities out of the pore. Now this is going to be before you use any of the rest of your treatment steps. So it needs to go on clean skin before any of your other treatments, all right? So if you're looking for a product to help you to conceal while you treat a blemish, a really great product and a Sephora favorite is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Breakout Full Coverage Treatment Concealer. Now this is a really great product to apply on clean skin. So you wanna make sure that you're applying it onto the skin so that the ingredients can penetrate in and help fight the blemish. I have heard that you guys have had some questions on how to use this. It's really easy. Just take the applicator, apply it directly to the blemish, and let it sit for about 30 seconds. While that's happening, the alpha hydroxy acids that are in the product are making their way into the skin and cleaning it out and exfoliating any debris from the surface. So let it sort of set. Then you can take your favorite concealer brush and softly blend the edges so that you maintain the coverage on the blemish. Then you would follow up with your favorite CC or BB cream. Just finish your complexion like you normally would. This product is really great if you're looking for something that's going to help to cover the breakout while you treat it. Really loving this product from IT Cosmetics. When I get a breakout, it's generally one that's really deep right by my nose and it hurts a lot. So a product that I grab is from Kate Somerville. This is called Eradicate. I love this acne treatment because I can use it to really pull out impurities from the skin with active sulfur. What that does is pulls the breakout to the surface so that it heals so much faster. Now, a great rule of thumb with this is to use this product as soon as you feel the breakout start to form. As soon as you get that tenderness, reach for this guy. It's amazing. Now to use it, you want to just take a cotton tip applicator, dip directly down into the product. Don't shake it because that way you're getting all of the benefits of the sulfur in the bottom and coating it with salicylic on the way out. So you're getting a wham bam, thank you ma'am, double treatment from this guy. Love it. So you're going to want to use this guy 1 to 3 times a day depending on the severity of the breakout. It's a really great spot treatment for blemishes and acne. So last up, we have a really great product that's multi-purpose. It's really great for all over breakouts or spot treatments concern as well. It's from Glam Glow, and this is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This guy is really cool. It uses active charcoal to pull impurities out of the skin. Fun fact about charcoal, it actually holds 1,000 times its weight in impurities, which is really crazy. So this is definitely gonna pull a powerful punch to the skin and remove any debris and kind of build up in the skin. It's really awesome. I also really love this one because it balances the oil production in the skin. You'll actually notice in areas you'll see kind of dark pockets where it's kind of pulled extra oil to the surface of the mask. It's really, really awesome. Now you wanna use this guy on clean skin, apply a thick layer for 5 to 20 20 minutes and allow it to kind of dry and settle and do its thing. Then you can rinse it away. Now you'll notice again, as it's drying, you'll see pockets of impurities raise to the surface. It's really cool to watch. So a really great thing about this guy is that since it's a mask, you can use it as often as needed. So whenever you need to pull it out of your medicine cabinet, it's the perfect one to grab. So hopefully that answered any outstanding questions that you had about acne and the breakout concern. Be sure to stop by Sephora.com and check out our buying guide if you have further questions to kind of help guide you to the right product, the one that's perfect for you. Now remember, it's always going to be a constant battle, so hopefully these products help you out, but if not, keep cycling through. You'll find the right product for you. Trust me, it just takes some trial and error sometimes. As always, if you have any further questions, be sure to shout them out in the comment section below, and be sure to ring the bell so you get push notifications when we're launching new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.